In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play solo leveling Arise on MacBook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about all of the ways in which you will be able to play solo leveling Arise and how to play it on a Mac. Now, as you might already know, the game is not available natively for Mac devices. It is available on the App Store if you are playing through an iPhone or an iPad, but on MacBook you won't be able to download it. So if you browse through all of the download options, the game is not going to run natively on MacBooks. So to do this, you will need to use some form of emulator. For this video, I'm going to be showcasing PlayCover. This will run the iOS version of the game natively on your MacBook. So to do this, visit playcover.io. Keep in mind that there are other ways to do this. For example, if you acquire a way to run Windows on your Mac, either through Dual Boot or something like Boot Camp, Wine, and so on that allows you to emulate Windows, that will also work. But I believe this is going to be the most convenient approach. So go to playcover.io, click download, choose the latest release, and you will be able to use this to run the iOS version of the game. To download the iOS version of the game, go to decrypt.day. In here, use the search function and look for solo leveling. Then click on the first result and download the necessary file to run solo leveling Arise. So this is essentially going to be the installer. So once you have this file downloaded and you open PlayCover, this is what it looks like. So you will have an app library where you can load the IPA file. So all that you have to do now is grab the solo leveling IPA file that you downloaded, so from solo leveling Arise, and drag it here. So you can click on import IPA or simply drag and drop it inside of your app library. Then solo leveling Arise is going to appear. Choose the game from the list if you have multiple games to install, or only this one if this is all you care about. And upon selecting it, it will open running on your Mac. So because it is going to be an emulation, it might not be perfect. However, it will still give you full access to everything available in solo leveling Arise, just like the iOS version. I hope I was able to help you on how to play solo leveling Arise on MacBook. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.